Namaste and welcome to this comprehensive guide on carbide inserts. Whether you are a CNC operator, VMC enthusiast, lathe expert, or a curious student, this information is for you. Let's dive right in. We divided this video into 5 segments. Carbide inserts, specialized inserts, practical uses, tips for choosing inserts. Conclusion. Segment -1. Carbide scrap. Carbide inserts are a crucial element of precision machining and come in various types, each designed for specific tasks. Round inserts, such as RCGX 090700, are excellent for contouring complex shapes and achieving smooth finishes. Triangular inserts, like TNMG 160404, are perfect for roughing out material and achieving semi-finished surfaces. Segment -2. Specialized insert. Specialized inserts can enhance designs and come in unique sizes and shapes. Examples include die-cut inserts, EVA foam inserts, vacuum-formed inserts, thermoformed inserts, pulp inserts. Hey dosto, if you want to sell your carbide scrap or high-speed scrap, then contact us at 8800682586. Diamond-shaped inserts, such as DCMT 11T308, are experts in parting off and grooving. Pentagon-shaped inserts, like TPKN 2204, excel in threading operations. Hexagon-shaped inserts, such as SPMG 050-04, are ideal for high-feed machining tasks. Segment 3. Practical uses. Now, let's see these inserts in action, in real-world scenarios. From CNC machining centers to VMC setups and lathes, these carbide inserts, in various names and sizes, play a critical role in precision and efficiency. Segment 4. Tips for choosing inserts. When selecting an insert for efficient machining, consider the following checklist. Identify the machining operation. Determine the material being machined. Select the appropriate insert shape and size. Consider the cutting-edge geometry and grade. Evaluate the coating and surface treatment options. Note choosing the right insert is crucial for efficient machining. To achieve precise and efficient machining results, it is important to consider the material being machined, the tool material, coating, and geometry, the right tool holder and clamping method, the use of appropriate coolant and lubricant, the monitoring and adjustment of cutting conditions as needed, the regular inspection of tools for wear and damage, working with a reputable supplier who can provide expert advice and high-quality tools, staying up to date with the latest machining technology and techniques. Segment 5. Conclusion and viewer engagement. As we conclude this comprehensive guide, remember that understanding the names, sizes, types, and uses of carbide inserts can significantly enhance your machining capabilities. Carbide inserts can improve precision, durability, and efficiency in machining processes. By using the right type of carbide insert, you can achieve higher cutting speeds, longer tool life, and better surface finishes. It can make all the difference in the success of your machining projects. We want to hear from you. If you have questions or want to share your experiences with carbide inserts, please join the conversation in the comments below. Stay connected with us on social media for more practical insights and updates in the world of machining and tooling. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more comprehensive guides and in-depth explorations. Keep innovating. Contact 8800682586.